Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the following components are required to run this program, Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 Runtime, here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for Chrome. The moment you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear, which is the Google Chrome browser, and click on Open to continue. So just have to wait until a new window would appear here in our screen, which is the Google Chrome itself. Okay. And once you are here, please proceed at the description box below and you need to copy two links which you need to paste it here at the window search bar. So copy the first link and paste it here at the search bar. Control V to paste and click on enter and wait until you are being redirected to the result of this link. You would be redirected to this Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable latest downs reported downloads, and please scroll down and look for this table which contains the architecture and the link aligning to it in the notes. You need to proceed first to the system info so that you would be able to identify what architecture must download that is compatible to your computer. So navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for info. And the moment you have typed it, wait until a best match, which is the system information, would appear and go with open to continue. A new window would appear, which is the system information, and you need to proceed with system type. There you can identify what system type do you have in your Windows. In my case, I have a x64 based PC. You might have the same similar to mine, or you might have an ARM 64 or 32. Okay, once you have identified it, close this window and proceed to the link which is compatible or exactly the same to your system type. So if you have an x64, proceed with the third. If you have x86-bit PC, proceed with the second. If you have ARM 64, proceed with the first. And mostly laptop has x64-bit based PC. So proceed with the third link and click on download. Once you have downloaded it, proceed with the second link, okay, which is this. Copy this link, which would be included in the description box below. So Control V to paste and click on enter and wait again until you are being redirected to the second link result. You would be redirected to this DirectX and user runtime, where here it has this option where you can select a language. Just click this down arrow and you would be able to choose the language that you would prefer or that you would understand. I would recommend you to go with English since it is a universal language and most of us would be able to understand such. But in case if you want to choose your language that you have or that you understand, since it is your first language, then go with it, okay? So that there is no specific problem about it as long as you will be able to understand such, okay? So click on download and wait until it will be downloaded, okay? And once done, install those two applications in your Windows or computer, which are the Microsoft Visual C++ and this DirectX and User Runtime. In my case, I have already uninstalled such application in my PC. Okay, so as you can see it here, the Microsoft Visual C++ as well as the desktop runtime. Once you're done, try to run again the program that you are having a problem on installing earlier. I'm sure it will be working this time, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.